Yep, that's me.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering what I'm doing here. Anyways, I told myself it was time to cut my hair. It was time to cut my very full hair. Oh no. But then it was like the hardest decision to make because I've been saying I will cut my hair for like 5 years or 6 years now, and I haven't touched the hair. So here's the story behind this whole thing. After giving birth, I decided, okay, after 1 month, I was going to loosen the all back cornrow I had on my head. So I loosened it, washed my hair, and decided to make another hair with my natural hair. I didn't even add attachment or any extensions or anything. So I made this zigzag style. After making the hair, the first day it was really painful, and I was like, auntie, this one, this is painful. My head, it was just paining me. But I said, let me just endure. Maybe it's because it's been long, I made my hair and I just gave birth and all that. But then the second day was still paining me. I said, let me just enjoy it because I can't just loosen this hair. So I carried this hair for 1 week. It was okay. It wasn't that painful anymore. I carried it for the second week and it was already getting rough. And I was like, this one didn't last too. So I was already tired of the hair. So I decided to loosen it. So I loosened the hair, and guess what? This hair damaged my edges. It damaged my front. It gave me the hairline I never had. Oh my god. Look at my head. Just look at the front part of my head. You will know that something happened. So after losing this hair, I saw that it was terrible. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to do something. So I spoke to my husband and told him that I was going to cut my hair. And he was like, why? I told him this, I can't be backing my hair like this. What's this? Like the hairline that the hair gave me wasn't funny at all. I was not like, oh, finally I'm going to cut my hair after I've said it for like 6 years and I haven't done it. And I decided to do it, and I did it today, and it was like the best decision ever because right now I feel so light. Yes, I'm 4 months postpartum and I feel good. I'm glad I cut the hair. So I decided to, spice it up a bit, not just cutting and leaving the normal color. So I decided I was going to, change the color. I wanted white. I wanted it to be pure white, but I couldn't get pure white. But then I was able to get something closer, but not exactly what I wanted. But I love it. And I feel good about my hair. I'm going to be rocking this hair. I know my normal natural hair color will be coming up very soon, but then I'm going to rock this one while it's still on my head. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you soon. A bientôt. Thank you.